Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add animations to your Wix website. Let's get started. So in here, as you can see, I'm on the Wix website editor and I have here some elements that I want to add animations into. So what I need to do is I just need to head over and click on any one of them. So as you can see, I have clicked on this repeater. I can actually add a hover, but I just want to add an animation. So to do that, I just need to click on this button right here. So this button is the animation button that you can use. Once you have clicked on that, you can see in here numerous animations that you can actually use. So you can use this reveal button in here. So you can also see a preview of what it looks like if you hover to that specific animation. So we have added animation on the first one. Now let's click on the second one, and as you can see, animation has been added as well on that specific part. This is because it is a repeater. If you also want to add animation to your text, you can also do so. Just click on the text as well in here. And then you can see the animation. Now just choose the animation that you want to use. So for me, I'll just choose this bounce in. And then I have actually applied that. Now under the text bar right here, as you can see, this is actually animated as well. So let's click on the paragraph bar right here and let's also add an animation. So for this one, let's choose an expanding. And then let's just close this one as we already added that specific animation. Now let's see what it looks like when we preview it. We'll click on the preview. And then it will open the preview of our website. And then as you can see, there's some animation for this specific thing right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add animation to your Wix website. If you have questions or comments, just comment them down below. And if you also found this video helpful, simply leave a like below as well or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.